What if I told you 95% of investors are missing a crucial step when analyzing rental property deals? This one mistake can lead to financial disaster. I've seen it happen to countless investors, including myself when I first started out. But over the years, I've developed a 10-step due diligence checklist that's helped me and my clients build a portfolio of cash-flowing rental properties. With this checklist, you'll be able to analyze any rental property deal with confidence, minimizing risk and maximizing returns. In this video, I'll walk you through each of these 10 essential steps so you can start building wealth through real estate without losing sleep at night. You found it, the perfect property. The numbers on Zillow look amazing. The agent says it's a turnkey opportunity. You're already imagining those monthly checks hitting your account. But here is the cold, hard truth. Most investors buy based on hope, not data, and hope is a dangerous strategy when you're spending six figures. Imagine this: you close the deal, you move in your first tenant, then the water heater bursts. Then you realize the roof has a slow leak that's been hidden by a fresh coat of paint. Suddenly, that passive income is costing you $500 a month out of your own pocket. Now you're not an investor, you're a landlord with a second full-time job and a shrinking bank account. This is where the dream of real estate becomes a financial nightmare. The difference between a wealth-building machine and a financial anchor isn't luck. It's the due diligence you do before you sign the contract. If you don't have a rigorous system to strip away the fluff and find the hidden risks, you're not investing. You're gambling. So you want to know the secret to analyzing a rental property deal like a pro? Well, here's the thing. 95% of investors don't know how to properly evaluate a deal. They might look at the price, the location, and the potential rent, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. To really maximize your returns and minimize your risk, you need a solid due diligence checklist. That's where our 10-step deal comes in. This comprehensive checklist will walk you through everything you need to know to analyze a rental property deal. From the initial screening to the final walkthrough, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. Step 1, research the neighborhood. You want to know what the area is like, what the schools are like, and what the local economy is doing. Step 2, review the property's financials. This includes the rent roll, the expenses, and the potential cash flow. Step 3, analyze the property's condition. You want to know what repairs are needed, what the property's age is, and what the overall condition is. Step 4, evaluate the local rental market. You want to know what the demand is like, what the supply is like, and what the average rent is. Step 5, calculate the cap rate. This will give you an idea of the property's potential return on investment. Step 6, assess the property's potential for appreciation. You want to know if the property is likely to increase in value over time. Step 7, review the property's tax implications. You want to know what the tax benefits are, what the tax drawbacks are, and how it will affect your cash flow. Step 8, evaluate the property management options. You want to know what your options are, what the costs are, and what the benefits are. Step 9, calculate the cash flow. This will give you an idea of how much money you can expect to make each month. Step 10, review and finalize the deal. This is where you put it all together, make your final decision, and move forward with the deal. By following these 10 steps, you'll be able to analyze a rental property deal like a pro and make informed decisions that will help you build wealth through real estate. And if you want to learn more about real estate investing and get access to our exclusive resources, check out the links in our description below. We've partnered with the best real estate investing courses and property management software to help you succeed. So what are you waiting for? Start building your wealth today. Want to learn more about real estate investing? Check out our affiliate link in the description below for a top-notch real estate investing course. By following the 10-step due diligence checklist, you can minimize risk and maximize returns. For example, our students have seen an average increase of 15% in cash flow after implementing these strategies. Ready to start building your wealth through real estate? Click the link below to get started with a free trial of our recommended property management software. Take control of your financial future and start generating passive income today.